Good morning, children. How are you all? I welcome you all to our EVS class. Today, we are going to learn lesson number 3, food. Children, open your EVS reader, page number 13. And children, now I will read the lesson and then I will explain for you. Okay? The food we eat. We eat food when we feel hungry. Food makes us strong and healthy. It gives us energy to study and play. We must eat clean food. We must have our meals at the same time every day. Some foods help us to grow. Milk, fish, eggs, and pulses are some foods which help us to grow. Now open your EVS reader, page number 14. Some foods give us energy. Rice, sugar, butter, roti, and bread give us energy. Some foods keep us healthy. Fruits and vegetables keep us healthy. We eat 3 meals in a day. In the morning, we have breakfast. I have breakfast before I go to school. In the afternoon, we have lunch. I have lunch after I come back from school. In the evening, we have dinner. We have dinner at 8 p.m. We all eat together. A few things to remember. Fresh vegetables and fruits are good for health. Oily and fried food is not good for health. Drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. Lassi, lemonade, and coconut water are healthy drinks. Too many sweets, toffees, and chocolates can spoil our teeth. Children, now I will explain you the lesson. The food we eat. We eat food when we feel hungry. Children, why do we eat food? First, when we feel hungry, then only we will eat food. And we need food to live. Not only humans, we are humans. We need food. Not only us. Animals, birds, everyone needs food to live. Without food, we cannot survive, isn't it? Yes. Next, food makes us strong and healthy. It gives us energy to study and play. We must eat clean food. Listen, children. If you eat food, you become strong and healthy. Okay? And you will not fall sick. Not only strong, this food gives us energy to study and play. If you eat food, you can do all your work very fast. We must have our meals at the same time every day. See, this is very important, children. Every day you should follow the same timing for food. That is important thing. Some food help us to grow. Milk, fish, eggs and pulses are some foods which help us to grow. See, there are different kinds of food. Every day we are not eating the same food. If you eat bread every day morning, you are not eating bread. Isn't it, children? Yes. Today bread, tomorrow maybe some other food like this. So different kinds of food we have. From that, milk, fish, eggs and pulses or help us to grow. Okay, this food helps us to grow, and especially children, if you eat this food, you will become taller. Next, there is energy giving food. What are the energy giving food? Rice, sugar, butter, roti and bread. Okay, sugar, roti and butter. These are energy giving food. Some foods we call healthy food, especially fruits and vegetables keeps us healthy. This healthy food is called protective food. Orange, pear, carrot, cabbage, these are called healthy foods, and this healthy foods we will say protective food because this foods, fruits and vegetables will make you healthy. And now we are going to see types of meals in a day. We eat 3 meals in a day. In the morning, we have breakfast. I have breakfast before I go to school. You can eat bread, juice, egg for breakfast. And then lunch. In afternoon, we have lunch. I have lunch after I come back from school. See, after you come back from school, you can take your lunch. Rice, meat, salads, vegetables, you can take for lunch. At last, dinner. In the evening, we have dinner. We have dinner at 8 p.m. We all eat together. See, in evening, we will take dinner. Like pulses, vegetables, fruits and chicken we can take for dinner. Some important points we have to remember, children. Always you should eat healthy food and clean food. Fresh vegetables and fruits are good for our health. Oily food like and fried food is not good for health. Okay? Some foods have too much oil. You should not eat. Okay, children? And you want to drink a lot of water. And too many sweets and chocolates and toffees will spoil your teeth. So be careful. Don't eat too much chocolates. Okay, children? All right. I hope you all enjoyed today's lesson. See you in next class. Until that, bye-bye.